One of my favorite exercises, the goblet squat. So from here, it's basically a really, really good squat. So once again, you're engaging the thighs, the glutes, and you're also using stabilization. You're also going to use the core and everything as well. Because what's going to happen is you're going to hold it upside down. So from here, as you're holding it, this is pretty heavy, okay, from there, and you're going to stabilize it and keep it in the middle. So now your abs and all this area, your wrists and forearms are also engaged. And then from here, all you simply do is your feet are just slightly wider than shoulder width apart. You squat all the way down. Imagine you're going to sit on the chair. So you come all the way down. Your elbows will just go in the inside of your thighs, okay, and from there, you want to make sure that the knees are pointing slightly out. Don't let the knees turn inwards. Make sure they're out. All the weights for your heels. Now push up through the head. So you're going to push up and then through the head, and then we'll go back down all the way. So when we have this, okay, we'll hold this. I like to call these the bull horns. Okay, so we've got the bull horns. Hold it, keep it nice and stable. We squat all the way down till the elbows are just in the inside. Okay, and then from here we push up through the head, through the feet, and then come back up. And you do as many reps of these as you want. You can do 10 reps. You go for 30 seconds. Breathe in and then breathe out. Okay, once again, it's nice and slow. Control, get to here, control it, and then push up and through. You don't want to be rushing it. And that is your goblet squat.